மார்கழி மந்த் 16th டே திருப்பாவை பாசுரம் 16. நாயகனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோப்பனுடைய கோயில் காப்பானே, குடித்தோன்றும் தோரண வாயில் காப்பானே, மணிக்கதவம் தாழ்த்திரவாய் ஆயர் சிறுமியரோமுக்கு அரைபறை மாயன் மணிவண்ணன் நென்னலே வாய் நேர்ந்தான். தூயோமாய் வாழ்ந்தோம் துழிலர் பாடுவான், வாயால் முன்னம் முன்னம் மாற்றாதே அம்மா, நீ நேய நிலைக்கதவம் நீக்கேலோ ரெம்பாவாய். In this pasuram, Andal takes all the girls to the mansion of Nandagopal, the father of Krishna. She is addressing him as Nayakan. She is talking to the gods who are taking care of the door, that is the gate. She respects everyone. That is what this pasuram shows us. She is glorifying the way they are doing, the gods are taking care of Krishna. Because Krishna was under the threat of all the Asuras and the Harakas, and Kamsa was sending someone to kill Krishna. So Nandagopal was all the more alert, and he kept Krishna inside, and there was a god outside taking care of that house. So Andal tells that the one who is taking care of the house, one who is at the doorstep, we all girls have come. Kannan has promised us to give us parai, that is the musical instrument. So she is describing Kannan, the one who has the divine complexion of bluish gemstone, and he has amazing activities, has promised us yesterday that he will give us a resounding drum, that is called parai in Tamil. We have come to receive it and to sing in praise of Krishna with purity in our hearts, and we like to wake him up. And she is telling that, God, don't tell me I can't, or don't give me any negative answer. We know you are with good thoughts. You know our purpose of coming here. You go and tell them that we have come and we would like to see Kannan, Krishna. So she is telling him not to say no. That is what the last but one line, Vayal manna manna matrade amma. She is addressing him as Amma, don't tell me no. Go and help us. Go and tell Nandagopal that the girls have come to see Krishna. So open the gate, open the door. Because she is saying that the gods are very affectionate to Krishna. So she is bringing out all the good qualities that they are high. She is glorifying the duty of the gods. So she is requesting him to represent their reason for coming here to Nandagopal and open the door. Today's temple is Sri Ranganatha Perumal Temple at Karamadai. Karamadai is 23 kilometers away from Coimbatore. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Here we find Lord Vishnu as Ranganatha. Ranganatha is in Swayambhu form. He came up on his own. That is Swayambhu. And here we have the darshan of only the portion above the neck of Sri Ranganatha. So only the face, Tirumugam, is seen. The remaining part of the body is below the ground level. This temple has got Rajagopuram with 7 tiers and it is 80 feet tall. And temple is in Dravidian style of architecture. This temple has got big Pradakshana path and it has separate Sannadhi for Daya and Sri Andal. Thalapurana of this temple. Kattariyar tribal group people lived in the forest where they were full of karai trees and they were cow rearing people. So one of the people who had cow found his cow was not yielding milk, but the cow goes out and releases the milk. So he followed the cow and found that cow supplies milk. That is, when the cow stands above the anthill, the milk from the udder flows. So he found it and he got angry and he tried to destroy that anthill. But when he was about to do that, he found blood coming out. Then he got scared and he informed all the people and they planned the next plan of action. And they took the advice of Veda Vyasa Bhattar, who told them to build a temple in that place. This is how this temple came into existence. The head portion of Sri Ranganatha was found under the anthill. So that has been installed in the temple. And later on, there were so many additions, extensions for the temple by different kings. This temple was once visited by Sri Ramanujar. When Ramanujar was on his way from Melkote to Srirangam, he visited here. There is a Sannadhi for Sri Ramanujar. There are Sannadhis for Alvars, Hanuman, Sri Ramar, Lakshmana, Sita, Tayar, Ranganayaki, then Andal. All this we can see in this temple. This temple has got all the features like Karta Mandapa, Maha Mandapa, Kalyana Mandapa and all. Pradakshana paths and doors are so beautifully decorated with the Dasavataram. In the doors, the work depicts the Dasavatārams and life history of Sri Krishna, and it is very tall. So you can find the beautiful carvings, beautiful artwork in this temple. And there is another important feature here. We don't get Chadari here. Chadari is a Sri Padam of Perumal. Here we don't get it, which we get it in the Vishnu temples. Here instead of Chadari they say Ramabanam. Ramabanam is, it's like a flat metal. On one side you find the image of Sri Ranganatha, and the other side we find Sudarshana Chakram. They keep it on Bhakta's head, like how we get Chadari in other temples. Here we get it, and it is like getting blessings from God. So this is very special here, and is very unique here. Tirumalai Nayak, the king, he had very close association with this temple because he fell sick once, and His health did not improve despite many treatments were given, and somebody told him to stay in this temple for 48 days and eat the leaf of the tree Karai. He did it. He did with full faith in God, and he stayed here and ate the leaf of tree Karai every day, and he became all right. Even today, inside the temple, you can find the tree Karai. So he developed some portion of this temple. He constructed, he extended the prakaram of this temple.